Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shree Tutorials. My name is Preeti and today we are going to continue on the topic life process, and in that we are going to study about reproduction. But before I start, for those who have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please do press the bell icon. So let's start. In reproduction, we were studying about one of the important methods, that is asexual reproduction. So let's revise before we start. So asexual reproduction is a process by which a new individual is formed, but only by a single parent. When I say a single parent, means there is no formation of zygote and there is no involvement of gametes. We know that asexual reproduction is a rapid process, and one of the drawbacks is there is no genetic recombination. In the previous class, we had studied one of the methods of asexual reproduction, that was binary fission. Today, we are going to study the next method, that is multiple fission. Multiple fission is observed in organisms again like amoeba, but this we see during unfavorable condition. During unfavorable condition, amoeba develops a cyst around itself. Inside the cyst, the amoeba will show nuclear division followed by cytoplasmic division. When the favorable condition restores, the cyst ruptures, releasing many amoebulae which will start living an independent life. The second one is regeneration. We have seen regeneration in developed organisms like walrus. They use this process to restore their lost body parts like tails and limbs. We know that reproductive system is a full-fledged system in our body. So regeneration might not be considered as one of the methods of asexual reproduction. We see this in primitive organisms like planaria, and it's a method of procreation. Planaria has the ability to divide its body into several parts, and each part has the ability to restore the lost part and develop into a new organism. The next one is fragmentation. During favorable condition, filamentous organisms like Spirogyra and sponges like Cycon has the ability to break their filament into various fragments. These fragments then take the nourishments and then develop into independent fragments. So friends, that's all for today. For further methods of asexual reproduction, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shree Tutorials.